Hi, my name is Ismael Robledo, and today I'm going to show you how to make beer at home. Very simple steps. First, you're going to need a 5-gallon bucket. You're also going to need a 5-gallon glass carboy. And also, we're going to need a mash cooler. This will help to cool off the mash so we could get ready for fermentation. Some of the other equipment that we're going to need is a thermometer, hygrometer to measure the temperature of the water, an air trap, and some brushes and to stir the mash, also some grain. The most important thing is the Seabright. The Seabright will help to sanitize everything. Everything that touches the beer has to be sanitized. So now I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that goes into making the beer. First is the malt extract light, which we're going to be using today for the beer that we're going to make. We're going to make Canadian Ale. We're going to use the dry malt extract, 2 packages, and also some hops. And we got the priming sugar that we use at the end, and the yeast. So we're going to start by taking the malt syrup, put them in hot water so it could melt down so it'd be easy to pour into the water. Already got the water boiling. It's 180 degrees. And we're going to start applying some of the ingredients. We're going to start first by using the dry ingredients, and then we're going to use the dry ingredients. We're going to add it to the water. And first of all, I put up the heat because you don't want to burn the ingredients. You don't want to burn the ingredients, so we're going to apply all the dry ingredients first. Make it easy. This beer is going to come out so good. I already did 5 batches of it. It came out so good. So at the same time, we're going to be stirring all these ingredients into the water. Make sure that all gets well mixed. I could already smell it. So we're gonna open a can of syrup. Some beers has 2 cans, but those beers are more sweeter. So by adding the malt extract in powder, it makes it less sweeter. We're going to pour this slowly while we're mixing. Beer is so easy to make. Once you know how to make it, it's very simple. Okay, I got most of it. Now we're going to add the hops. We got 2 envelopes of hops. We got William Mint hops, 2 ounces. Once all the ingredients are mixed, well mixed, we're gonna turn the heat back on. We're gonna put a high heat. It's gonna foam, so I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna wait for the foam to go down, and then I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna repeat this process to start foaming, and then from there I'm gonna keep it for 20 minutes to half an hour boiling. So everything is well mixed. I'm getting ready to turn on the fire. And we're gonna wait until it start boiling again, and it's gonna foam. I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna wait for the foam to go down. I'm gonna turn it back on until it start foaming, and then I will leave it for half an hour. If you want, you can put a time clock. Be easy, or you won't forget, or look at the time to see how much time you got it boiling.